Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. I'm Sudeep, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install a free alternative software for MATLAB which is called Scilab. If you cannot afford MATLAB and still want to learn numerical computations, then I recommend you to use Scilab. Scilab is an open source software. That means it can be used for free. Also, whatever you can do in MATLAB, you can do it in Scilab as well. So it's better to use Scilab than MATLAB. So without doing any further delay, I'm going to show you how to install Scilab on your PC. So for that, go to your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and type www.scilab.org and hit enter. After that, go to home page of scilab.org, and on the home page you can see download Scilab option. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see different options here. So you have to choose the options respective to your operating system you are using right now. I'm using Windows 10 operating system, so I'm gonna choose Windows 10 64 bits. But if you are using Linux, you can go for Linux, and if you are using MacBook, you can go for Mac operating system options. So I'm gonna choose Scilab 6.1.0 Windows 64 bits. So click on that, and after that you have to press on save. Once you click on save, it will start to download. It is just 184 MB file, so it won't take that long to download. So the download has been completed. So once you complete the download, just click on the downloaded folder and press yes here. And after that, you need to select the language. You can select any language that you speak. I'm gonna select English, and on this window just accept the agreement and click on next, and click on next, and here just leave it as it is. Just put on full installation and click next, and here again click next, again click next, and click on install. And here you can see installation has been started. So once the installation is complete, just click on finish, and that's it. Scilab has been installed on your PC. And just to try, you can open the Scilab and all over. I'm just sorry. And that's how the windows of Scilab look like. It's like pretty similar to MATLAB. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel, because I'm gonna make lots of videos on about Scilab in the future. So that's all for now. Thank you.